G'day everyone out there in interweb land. I'm on to another little project. In this particular case, it's going to include this, a bit of this. I've got the black and blue theme going with this car. These are just a little bit too shiny for me, so I want to get rid of them. And I think these are actually a 5th gen badge. I prefer the plain black myself, so that's what I'm going to go with. If I don't like it, I can always go back to what it was. I've already had a go and taken off the first one, and it didn't damage it. I do use a bit of heat and comes off pretty quickly and easily actually, so sit back and enjoy, and I'll take you through the steps of how I'm going to get the Camaro across my front guards, fenders, whatever you want to call them. Cheers. Don't be tempted to just pull it up and off. I've seen people actually damage the paint because they've dug the corner of the badge into the paint. You might see this is coming off pretty easy. It's still a little warm. It's not overly hot, it's not molten or anything, but it's warm. And if you pull it up slowly, you can see the glue is coming off the paint in one go. Yeah, it just slowly peels off the paint with hardly any remnants left on the paint, which is good. Now I have got my choice to take the edges off once this is done. I'll just get this done first. Now you've just got the tiny remnants left around the outside of the badge. It is glue, it is a little sticky, but what I've found for myself, and everyone's different in this, I've actually just gone down the path of using a bit of methylated spirits, just concentrated on the actual line where the glue is, and it softens and just wipes off pretty quickly actually, so I'll just do that now. Next step is to make a template up so I can place the letters. I don't have the letters preset in a template, so I'm going to have to make one up myself. You can see on my computer screen I've captured a Camaro fender logo in scale, and I've printed that off on a piece of paper. What I've done is, once I've scaled it, I've worked out that I can actually use something like a plastic ruler as the base to get the straight line, and then I'll be able to use the printout to position each of the letters, and I'll just stick each of the letters onto the fender individually hoping that I end up with a fairly accurate spacing across the guard or fender. So that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so apart from that little bit of tape under there, it doesn't look too bad. You can see what I'm trying to get to with the black and the blue. It's subtle but still there, and hopefully somewhere close to where it's supposed to go. That's looking all right. Sticks like shit to a blanket, so hopefully they will stay on without any drama. But that is much better than the old silver emblem that was there. Much prefer it. Very happy with that. I need to clean up a little bit of glue just sitting under the R because of the tape that got stuck under there. But just for example, I measured from the door, or from the end of the guard, it's almost exactly 8 centimeters. It's almost exactly 8 centimeters. So clearly there's a natural place for them to go, because I didn't even measure that, and it's almost exactly the same as the other side. So yeah, happy with that. And I think they were something like $12 each. So as long as they last a bit, I'll be happy to say they were worth their money. Another job done.